Today you will learn how to make a snowflake in Adobe Illustrator. You can also download the source file, link is given in the description. Please support and subscribe Easy Guide YouTube channel. So first of all, I will draw a perfect square by pressing Shift key on my keyboard. Grab selection tool and rotate this shape by 45 angle while holding the Shift key. Now grab direct selection tool and select this upper corner. Delete this corner by pressing delete key on my keyboard. So we need a shape or line like this. You can also create this type of line by using other methods, but this is, I think, the easiest method to draw a perfect line from both sides. Now remove its fill color to none and increase the stroke size. Now select this with the selection tool and create a duplicate of this by pressing Alt key, and also press the Shift key to place the duplicate in the horizontal line. Now press Ctrl D to repeat the last step. So we have 4 V-shaped lines. Now right click on the rectangle tool and choose line segment tool to draw a straight line. Press Shift key to draw a straight line. This line is thick because we already increased the stroke. Now select these 4 lines and go to Window, choose Align. Make sure we have equal gap between these lines by clicking here. Now group these 4 lines. Select the group and single line and align these in center horizontally and vertically. So basically we need a shape like this. You can also round these corners. Now select all these and make these a single group. Let me scale down this shape and make sure this is a single group. You can see this is a single group. Now select this group, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and then Transform. This transform panel will appear. First of all, change the center point of the shape from middle to bottom center. So shape should rotate around this center point. Now in this angle box, first type 360, then divider sign, and then enter the number of copies you want. At this time I need 6 copies. Here increase the number of copies one by one by pressing up arrow key. You can see we have 5 copies and 1 original shape. There is total 6 shapes. If you are not able to see the live preview, make sure to turn on and off this preview button. Click OK. So we have our basic shape ready, but I request you to watch the complete video to fully understand this effect. I also request you to support and subscribe the channel to learn more premium graphic design tutorials. So here is our shape. If I change this shape, my other 5 copies will change automatically. Make sure to double click on the shape to select the shape. For example, if I change the stroke here or go to Window, choose Stroke, click Show option. For example, if I change this line head, you can see my other copies are also changing accordingly. Let me select this 4 lines group and change its width profile. You can see other lines are also changing. If you double click on one of these 4 lines, you will enter further in this group. And now you can change the lines one by one. You can go further and play with different options depend on your choice and imagination. If you select the second line and go to Transform panel, multiply the width value with 1.5. So you can see now we have bigger second line than first one. If you multiply this with 2, you can see now we have lines with smaller to larger order. So now we have a better snowflake shape. You can adjust these lines. Just double click to enter the group and move this a little bit upside. You can also ungroup these 4 lines to further adjust the snowflake shape. So I hope you have learned how to make a snowflake in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.